Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the clear button up here. The clear button's purpose is to clear the sheet down. Let's just look at a few things before we start. Right, okay, so clear sheet down. What do I mean by that? I mean basically clear all the contents down, reset it. Of course you could have it saved somewhere and just reopen a sheet every time you want to start a transaction, in which case it's clear to start with, or it's in the state you last left it. But the clear button allows us to clear down the sheet and reset it. Now, how does it do that? Right, okay, so row 27, if an X appears in row 27, it will go down and delete everything in that column. If there's a value or a formula in here, it will copy down the formula or the value. So if you wanted extra formula in there, that's the way it would work. Now, in the header, if we go to tags and we go to cell properties, you can see here we've got the ability to blank. So transaction reference, you would want that blanking. Contact, yeah, you would want that blanking. Date, I don't want that blanking because I'm going to put a formula in there and set it to today's date. Transaction, no, I don't want that blanking either. So that's unticked, you see. So let's go in, let's actually press the clear button, having seen some of these settings. Clear transaction, yes please. There we go. It left these two values. See, there's a formula in there. Copied down the zeros, cleared out all the columns.